In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to do the dimension setting in Autocad. For dimension setting, first of all, you have to create one layer. Just type LA. Press this layer. Press all. Type LA. Create new layer. Text. Keep color white. Line type is continuous. Line weight. Line weight is 0.20. Click OK. Create one more layer. 2 dimension PIM. Keep color blue. Press OK. Line type continuous. Line weight is 0.20. OK. Let's close it. Go to the current layer DIM. Press D in the dimension style. Click new and put the dimension style name DIM. Start with standard. Continue. Then go to the primary unit first. Unit format decimal. Precision is 0.0. Then go to the text. Text height is 250. Text alignment. Click on align with dimension line. Text color is bilayer. Fill color is none. Text style standard. Go to the symbol and arrows. Architectural tick. Arrow size is 200. Then press it OK. Set current. Close. Then go to the ST style, dimension style. Make it new. DIM. OK. And click on dimension DIM. Put the dimension height which you have put it in the dimension style box. 250. Width factor is 0.5. If you want to change the font, you can change from here. Arial narrow. Font style is italic, bold, or whatever you want. You can take it from here. And click on apply. Then set current. Close. Now if you want to check that setting, how you will check it? Create one layer. Create one new layer. 3. Wall, for example, take wall. Change the color of wall. Take it 8. Color number 8. And you also change the line weight of the color. Line weight of that layer. Make it 0.35. OK. Close it. Go to that layer wall. Just make one wall. XL. Vertical. Offset 200. And again press XL. Horizontal. Offset 200. Then again offset 5000. this. So just make it rectangle REC. If you want to check this dimension setting, just go to the dimension, check this DLI, specify the first corner and then second corner. You will see this dimension here. Okay. If you want to repeat the same command, just press enter. Go to this line. If you want to check this text, go to that layer, press T, and write here success engineering official. If you want to increase the size, go to the HT text style, increase the height from here, make it 400, apply, hit current, close. Now erase this, again type T, and you can write again success. Success. Official. Okay. If you want to change the size of the dimension, again go and modify from here. Increase this arrow size to 100, 300. Text size is 400. Make it OK. Set current, close. You see, increase now. Okay. So guys, if you learned something from this video, please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. Please like, share and comment this video. Thank you for watching this channel.